Welcome to my channel. The festival of Eid is approaching fast, and we are passing through a catastrophic phase due to COVID 19. Therefore, it is mandatory to take every necessary precaution to avoid the spread of the pandemic. As no one is around me, so I can take off my mask. But you must take care and wear the mask where it is necessary. I have written a number of short messages so that you can send these messages to your family members, to your friends, and to your dear and near ones to celebrate the Eid while staying at home. I hope you would like some of them, if not all. So, here we go. This message can be sent to a person in your family or in your circle of friend who is doctor or is related with the medical profession. The most deadly virus needs an epic win. I salute you, the frontline warrior, and wish a healthy, happy, and safe Eid. Heartiest greetings. The biggest challenge of the human history needs a full throttle assault with positivity, vigor, and unfailing enthusiasm. I wish you and your family a robust success on this critical front. Eid Mubarak. Victory of humanity against the most lethal virus is imminent, provided that we counter the pandemic in the most appropriate manner. Wish you a safe, healthy, and joyous Eid. The top priority is the safety and health of our loved ones. So, distance doesn't matter as far as we stay safe and healthy. Wish you as protective and Eid as the vaccine against the coronavirus. Can't shake hands and hug each other, but it's a matter of immense pleasure to realize that we are enjoying a safe and healthy Eid. Warmest greetings. The new norm to maintain distance doesn't mean to be apart emotionally. You are and will always be in my heart and prayers. Eid Mubarak. This virus cannot separate us spiritually. On this Eid, I find you nearest than ever. Happy Eid. Though we cannot meet externally, yet we are inseparable internally. Wish you and your family healthy, happy Eid days. Soon we will be cherishing these days when we are physically apart but passionately together. Wish you to be safe and brave. Eid Mubarak. The only way to beat the pandemic is to take care of all those you love and make them stay home. I pray with the core of my heart for the well being of you and your loved ones. Happiest Eid Mubarak. Not holding hands is not a tragedy when we can join our souls together. You stay away but stay in my heart. Deepest Eid greetings. You may stay home, but you can never stay out of my heart. Let's celebrate this Eid with virtual vitality. Sincerest Eid Mubarak. Wearing a face mask cannot contain the germs of mutual respect, love, and devotion. Have a disease free Eid. Social distance and closeness of souls are directly proportional. So keep on increasing the social distance to increase the closeness of the hearts. Have a liveliest Eid. I wash my hands frequently, but cannot wash away the memories of the happy times we have spent together. Looking forward to have fun again, but after the pandemic is over. Kindest Eid greetings. I'm writing this after using sanitizer, but I believe that no virus can contaminate our relationship. Be sanitized, stay home, stay safe. Earnest compliments on Eid. Coronavirus made us realize that distance doesn't matter in a healthy and lasting relationship. What matters now is the unconditional care despite maintaining distance. Friendliest Eid congrats. No face mask can hide our feelings. No sanitizer can restrict the warmth of relationship. No distance can keep our spirits apart. Let's celebrate this day with vigorous feelings, vital warmth, and virtual proximity. Have a wonderful Eid. Coronavirus can be a blessing in disguise. So be with your family and spend quality time together without any outside intrusion. Have an exciting Eid. Celebrating this Eid with face mask, hand sanitizer, and social distancing instead of jewelry, makeup, and visiting others is a lifelong lesson. Let's pledge to keep ourselves and others safe. Cordial Eid greetings. And from my channel LearnEng, the Eid message for you is let's be the warriors instead of survivors. Cheeriest Eid Mubarak. I hope you will like these messages and would like to forward these to your near and dear ones, to your relatives, to your family members, to make them participate in the joys and celebrations of Eid. Eid greetings from the core of my heart once again. May this pandemic be over soon. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.